Okay, just a short video on a very specific property here, a one property video. This is for rental in Caribe Campo. It's available April 1st for the price of $600 USD per month plus your utilities on top of that. But I mean, my electricity in this complex runs $20 a month. I don't use air conditioning, but that's exactly what you can expect if you don't use air conditioning in this complex as far as fee goes. Your internet access is around 45 USD per month. I pay 2,000 pesos, so figure out whatever that is in USD or CAD. But either way, this is a priority listing. And again, it's not, the vendor's not desperate. They want to obviously get it rented. It's rented now. It has been rented for long term for years. And we're trying to replace that long-term tenant April 1st instead of going with, the usual 6 months starting in October or November and going till April or March or April or May. So an opportunity to get in long-term now to a very sought-after location in Caribe Campo. This is Terraza Tropimar. There's 120 units in this complex. This video was taken a few months ago while the tenant was still there, so this will be vacated completely as far as, the furniture will still be there, but it'll be completely vacant before April 1st to be ready for rent April 1st. So at the end of March, we're going to go in and have it cleaned up and get ready to put on the market. So again, second floor in Terraza Tropimar in Caribe Campo. Caribe Campo consists of 3 buildings. This is the largest one with security at the front desk, 24/7 reception. We have 24/7 backup generation for electricity. You won't be in a blackout situation in this complex, and it's sought after as far as availability goes. And if you want to see where it's located, this is what it looks like. This is the, let's get rid of the video, audio. This is the pool. I think it's around 80 feet long. There's a deep end in one end of it. Used to be a slide and a diving board back in the day. They took that out for reliability reasons. A beautiful, a waterfall over here. Tranquilo, right? And you'd be surprised how this trickling sound of water kind of carries through the complex. And it's, this is a Good Friday walk. So this is about a year ago now, just less than a year ago. Not much has changed. But this is and I think this is around 10 o'clock in the morning. This is about what you can expect as far as tranquilo, like what it sounds like in the morning. This place is always quiet. So I'm going to put some links in the show description here that give you an idea where this is. I do have a map for you here, but the links will show up as well. And this is where we're at. Terraza Tropimar. You can see some photos and videos that I put up. You can see residential Tropimar is across the street. Terraza Tropimar here. Oh, buying Dominican Republic real estate. We're just by the pool right here. So this is it. 120 units here. This is your reception area here. 24-hour security. There's a lounge, like a lounging area behind the reception here. And then this unit is on the second floor right around here, overlooking the pool. And it does have nice views. And you'll get a moonrise over here over the trees. And you don't see the sunset or the sunrise because it's just it's the wrong angle for it. But you will get a nice moonrise over these trees once a month, twice a month, 3 times a month when the moon is close to full. And this is how far it is from the action. So you're 500 meters down to Superpola here, or Sirena Market. That's the grocery store here. You're 500 meters down this hill past Trade Winds and George's Oasis Bar and the Global Golf Simulator, and then right up here. So from here, down to here is 500 meters, and then you're another, well, from here to downtown is about 10-minute walk. New cafe restaurant, good place to grab breakfast sometimes if you're not going to George's, which is over here. And then to the beaches, from here to Sosua Beach, well, that's Playa Sosua Key. But, I mean, you're pretty much 20 minutes to either of these beaches, including Playa Chiquita. Not Playa Chiquita maybe is a little bit further down. But regardless, from Terraza Tropimar to groceries, 500 meters. Downtown, 10 minutes to all the beaches, 20 minutes walking. So obviously much shorter if you're on a bike or in a car. But that should be a priority for you. If you're long-term and you're available to take occupancy April 1st, we can get you into this for $600 a month. I mean, everything's negotiable too. I'm not saying these guys are, because I mean this is pretty good deal right now. But you never know. If you have a long-term commitment, then bring it, and we'll see if we can have a meeting in the minds as far as a price goes and whatnot. But right now, pretty competitively priced, $600 per month USD, available April 1st. And there's no special situations over here, but a good long-term opportunity in Caribe Campo that comes up for, probably just under the going rate. You should get $700 a month for a one-bedroom in here, because I'm getting $600 for a studio. So this should be competitively priced, but more importantly, it should be a priority for you if you want long-term accommodations in a very sought-after building. My name is Jim Fannin. Been a realtor in Canada for over 30 years, but now I've been down here in Sosua for over 4 years. My number, my contact, either on the cell that you can dial direct on or text direct, or the best way is WhatsApp, is 1-809-330-8926. That's Jim Fannin, 1-809-330-8926.